Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will cover KilgourMD, the treatment scalp serum. You should buy this serum and this you can select the package or not. Does it really work? And how much money you have to pay if you are going to use this treatment, okay? And how much time it will take to give you results, okay? So first of all, if we talk about if you have bald scalp condition like this one, okay, so the results will not come within 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. You have to take proper treatment at least for 8 to 10 months, we can say, okay. And if we talk about if you have only this kind of conditions like this kind of conditions or this kind of conditions like hair thinning problem, then it will give you results approx like 8 to 12 weeks, within 8 to 12 weeks, okay. So the first thing, the brand is 100% legit, there is no problem, and the brand is very old, like 3 years from now, there is no problem, the brand is 100% good one. But the actual thing is results and the costing. So basically you can see over here the costing for 6 months supply. If you are going with the subscribe and save option, then the costing is approx $550. If you go with one-time purchase, the costing is like $700, which is really expensive. And if we talk about like the results, but there is no guarantee you will get 100% results, okay, because you can see over here there is a note on their official website also, like the individual results may vary, results reflect average outcomes. So if you have so much money, if you want to just try the treatment, and if you don't have so much expectations, then you can use this treatment, you can buy this treatment, you can try this treatment, okay. If you want 100% results, like if you are expecting like 100% results, and if you are thinking like after using this product you will get all the benefits as they mention in their advertisement within 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, it's impossible, okay. So it can work in hair thinning but not on bald scalp, okay. So if we talk about you should buy treatment or not, so as I already told you, if you have so much money then you can buy it, okay, and then you can try it, but it will take lots of time, okay. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.